afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 English test of oral past question. Question number 39. So the same instruction is also applicable here. That is, in each word, only one syllable has the main or primary stress. So we are looking at for the word in the list of options provided that has the primary stress, and where the stress for it is written in capital lettered, so for which to identify the place. And the given word here is pronounced as oceanography. Then in option A, the capitalized word is the first letter, which is O. So what telling us that is the first letter. Where is it, where we have our primary stress or not? Then in option B, CEAN is capitalized to tell us that is it where we have our primary stress. That's what the question is asking. Then in option C, OG is capitalized to tell us if it is the place where the stress falls. Then in option D, RA is capitalized to tell us if that is where the stress falls. Then in option E, PHA is capitalized to tell us or to ask if that is where we have our primaries. Then by pronunciation, let us listen to the pronunciation carefully. Oceanography. Or is at the minimal level, is always at initial. The rule of having stress on the first level is only applicable to two syllabic word, and that happens to noun word. Then the shun is silent. Then all, then graphy. Imagine when we thought that the gra is rising, the gra did not rise. It is oceanography, because what happens to ra is that the ra is the element that carries the fi syllable. So where we actually have our stress is on OG. So option C is correct. Oceanography. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.